In this module, we are going to learn making of the law and debating a bill. The chief function of the parliament is to make laws. When a member or the government feels that a law should be made, a proposal is presented in either house of the parliament. This proposal is called a bill. A bill becomes a law when it has gone through the specified procedure successfully. A bill has to pass through 3 readings in the house in which it is presented. In the first reading, the bill is introduced and circulated in the house. In the second reading, a clause by clause reading is done and it is debated. At this stage, any suggested amendments are also moved and debated. The bill is put to voting at the third reading. If it is passed, then it is sent to the other house, where too it goes through the same procedure. When a bill has been passed by the both houses of the parliament, it is sent to the president for his assent. It becomes a law after he assents to it. Money bills can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha cannot make amendments in a money bill passed by the Lok Sabha and sent to it for its assent. It can, however, recommend amendments in a money bill, but must return all money bills to the Lok Sabha within 14 days from the date of their receipt. If a money bill passed by the Lok Sabha and sent to Rajya Sabha for its recommendations is not returned to Lok Sabha within the said period of 14 days, it deemed to have been passed by both the houses in the form in which it was passed by the Lok Sabha.